that nose over. Okay? Okay. So, we're holding it here. Okay. Full aileron just to get that float up. Now we have less drag on one float. We're airborne. Let the nose come over. You'll see that speed starting to build up. When we're at 65, uncomfortable climbing. Listen, we have no obstructions in front of us. I'd rather be climbing at 65. I have lots of energy. If I lose an engine right now, it's easy. If we lose an engine, that nose, push that nose over. Okay? Because we need energy, and then we gotta start flaring. Without any energy, we can't flare. Okay?
Okay.
Engine failures are a big issue.